This 5-minute solution will show you how to enable Roblox two-step verification. Open Roblox and make sure to sign into your Roblox account and then click on Settings. Once you are in Settings page, select Security and here you will get two-step verification. And here you can enable two-step verification using Authenticator app or using email or using hardware security keys. So right now we will enable two-step verification using Authenticator app. In this case, you have to download an Authenticator app on your phone to generate unique security codes. Suggested apps include Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator. So enable this option. And now to turn on two-step verification, you have to verify your email address. You will get a verification code to your registered email. Just collect the code and enter the verification code here. Once you verified your email, and now on your mobile phone, open the Authenticator app and all you have to need, just scan these QR code from your mobile and then you will get a 6-digit unique codes. All you have to need, just enter here the code and then click on verify. And as you can see, I've successfully turned on two-step verification. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.